Welcome back to another week of Cooking with Square Food Foundation, and this week we have an absolutely classic Italian cake of lemon, almond and polenta. The first thing you're going to do is to grease your tin, making sure you get the butter all the way up the sides of the tin and on the bottom. Measure a length of parchment paper the width of your tin and lay it in nice and flat. Fold over the edges, making sure that everything is nice and smooth. Now you can get ready to make your cake. Take your measured butter, and you can see how lovely and soft that butter is. It's really important that it's really at room temperature. It's going to help make it really easy to mix. Add in your caster sugar and beat it until it's really pale, light and fluffy. This is going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see how the colour changes and it becomes lovely and light. Add in your ground almonds and then mix that together. Add in your first egg and beat it into the mixture until it's nicely combined and smooth. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature as well. And then you're going to repeat with the other 2 eggs. Next, add in your lemon zest, baking powder and salt. Mix that through until it's all nice and combined. And then add it into your prepared tin, making sure that you use a spatula to get every little bit of that mixture out. Smooth it out until it's nice and flat, and then pop it into a preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until when you check it, a knife, it comes out clean. Once your cake has cooled, turn it out onto a serving dish, remove the parchment paper and dig in straight away if you like it like that. Or if you feel like you want to jazz it up a little bit, you can mix some icing sugar with some rose water or just ordinary water until it's pourable consistency and just drizzle it all over the cake. You could also use some lemon juice as well. I've just topped mine with a little bit of some rose petals just to make it look pretty, but you could use almonds or slivers of pistachio as well. I do hope you enjoy the cake. It's absolutely delicious with a cup of tea or as a pudding. Send us your pictures and your videos. We love to see what you're getting up to.